Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix "sorry something went wrong." For solutions, please visit Steam. So when this happens, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and make sure that you don't have any problems with your Steam files. To do that, just go ahead and simply close the entire Steam application, right click on it, click on exit Steam, and then you want to open it up again. From there, Steam will automatically update its files and then it will get rid of the problem. The next thing that you want to do is to simply navigate through the game that you're having a problem with, and basically from there, right click on it, click on properties, installed files, and then you want to verify integrity of game files. Now if it has detected some corrupted or error files, it will automatically fix it on this specific procedure right here. Now the last thing that we want to do is to go ahead and update our graphics card. So just search for GPU update on your browser right here. You could be using an AMD or Nvidia or sometimes Intel. Just head over to the brand that you are using, select your graphics card. In our case, it's going to be the Nvidia RTX or the GeForce 30, and then we have the model, which is 3060 Ti. Click on find, update your graphics card, and from there this should help you fix the problem. The last step that you want to do is to go ahead and make sure to update your Windows 10 or 11. So in here, just click on check for updates, and you want to make sure that you have everything updated on your computer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.